Hi, welcome to Pradesh Media. Today we are discussing about the night vision technology in automobiles. We know that there is lot of facilities and technology used by human to improve the living situation. Vehicle, we know that it is one of the key findings that help us to travel long with a short time. But the thing is that accident and related death increase day by day all over the world. Reason is different: alcoholic driving, overspeed, bad weather condition, etc. etc. We know that our human eyes have some limitation. We are trying to overcome such limitation by using different technologies and innovative measures. We are using different security measures in our automotive sector, that is forward collision control, ABS, airbag, stability control, etc. etc. The thing is that most of the accidents occur in night and we have to give much attention in this area. Here the importance of the night vision technology is arise. Night vision technology is developed by Germany in Second World War. And now also it is mostly used in this area. In this automotive sector, why we are not using night vision technology? It is a question mark. Night vision means the ability to see things in night that the cat and red fox have. We are adopting this ability by using different technologies. Before going to the night vision technology, we have to understand about the electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum is the entire distribution of electromagnetic radiation according to the frequency. From left to right, radio waves, microwaves, infrared rays, vision light, ultraviolet rays, X-ray rays, gamma rays, cosmetic rays. We can see only the visible region, that is 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. The left of the region is infrared rays and the right of the region is ultraviolet rays. The heat of the sun is infrared rays. These rays are used by the night vision technologies. Night vision technology automatically attract the rays and proceed and provide a clear image to our screen. The things which produce infrared rays, such as human or animals, it will appear on screen as yellow color, and other items which not producing the infrared rays is appear as a monochrome image. Night vision technology can be classified into three: image intensification, active illumination, thermal imaging. Image intensification system. Image intensification system is a amplifying process. Here the system is converting the low light into a visible one. It is a technology that using a vacuum tube. The process is similar to the CRT monitor. Only difference in CRT monitor compared to the system is, in CRT monitor we using a color gun, here we using a photo cathode. One is active illumination. The active illumination technology is based on coupling image intensification principle. Low light are improved by using chemical reaction and electrical process. It is also provide a monochrome image. The third system in night vision technology is thermal image. The thermal image is a thermal imager. It is connected to a sensor. It is sensitive to small changes in the temperature. Using this variation, it provides a clear image to our screen. There can be grouped into two systems: uncooled thermal imager and chronological cooling. The chronological cooling is mostly expensive one. Here the temperature is converted into chronological temperature, that is 0 degrees Celsius. It provides a visibility up to 300 meters. The second one is uncooled thermal imager. It is mostly used one. It is very cheap. It is used the infrared rays to provide a clear image. Night vision technology is now using in different areas: forest protection, defense, etc. The question is that why the technology is not using in the automobile industry widely. Night vision technology now reached the fourth generation. If we are using this technology in our automobile industry or sector, we can avoid the death as well as accident in the road. Thank you. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel Pradesh Media